Hey community, today I have for you 4 tips for performing yoga on a stand-up paddleboard, otherwise known as SUP yoga. So tip number 1, when choosing a board for stand-up paddleboarding and integrating yoga into that activity, you'll want to go with more of a wider, more stable stand-up paddleboard, and ideally with kind of a soft, cushy padding on the top, and that will allow you to perform movements more freely and not tip over quite as easily. Tip number 2, consider a more compact personal flotation device, or PFD, for SUP yoga, as when you'll be performing yoga movements using the upper half of your body, a more compact PFD will allow you a wider range of motion. So that's definitely helpful. Tip number 3, if you find that your board floats around a lot and that's kind of distracting, or doesn't allow you to perform your yoga routine quite as easily as it would on land, consider anchoring your board. So just in order to create more stability, anchoring it in the water during your practice. And finally, start out a lot more slowly, especially if you are doing any kind of vinyasa yoga or flowing through movements. Start more slowly than you would on land until you get comfortable, so that you can find your balance and stability and you don't tip over or fall in the water. So to quickly recap, 4 tips for performing yoga on a stand-up paddleboard. 1, when selecting a board for SUP yoga, choose something wide and stable, as well as ideally with like a soft, cushy top. If possible. You can do yoga on any kind of SUP board, but that will definitely help you kind of ease into it a lot easier. Tip number 2, consider a more compact PFD to allow you a wider range of motion, and so that it doesn't restrict you when you're performing yoga that using the upper half of your body. And also tip number 3, if you find yourself floating around in the water or not feeling as stable, consider anchoring your board either to the shore or to the bottom of the water source, and that will give you a little bit more stability. And finally, start out more slowly until you're comfortable than you would on land, and you'll find going through those movements will get easier and you can gain speed with time, but really kind of nailing down that stability and extra core strength that you'll need to stay on your SUP board first and foremost is a great reason to start those movements more slowly. So get out there and enjoy yourselves, and I'll see you guys next time.
Hey guys, it's Amanda. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to hiking and backpacking, I just wanted to recommend that you check out our Adventure Academy Summit, where you'll find everything you need to know to learn how to become a safe and confident hiker. In Summit, we have tons of video courses, ebooks, and downloadable cheat sheets. We also do weekly live webinars where you can get any questions that you might have on a variety of subjects answered in real time. Summit also comes with a really convenient mobile app, which includes sort of a mini Facebook for all of its members built into the platform, so you can connect with other adventure junkies in your area at your convenience. It's really cool. If you want to give it a chance, check it out and go to the adventurejunkies.com/academy or click the link in the description below. I look forward to seeing you in Summit.